What makes you feel that you're different from a girl?
See, I don't have boobs. I don't have pussy. So like it's different, you know.
The guys can tease around, but I can't because the girls can't. If they do, then they can't. We consider something else.
Okay. What things annoys you the most of the opposite sex?
The first thing is awe. You know, girls keep on doing awe wherever they go, wherever they move. It is their first basic priority to do. It's the most fucking thing that annoys me.
What are the things which annoys you the most from a guy? अभी तो बहुत
Annoys you.
निकलेगा नहीं?
वो तो बहुत निकलने तो वाले ही है.
जैसे?
लड़के जैसे कि वो चीप हरकतें करते हैं. Yeah. Guys do. रोड पे ऐसे they do toilet. That's the difference. Yeah.
No, they don't.
They don't. Really, you don't see on road.
बैठ जाओ उधर. बैठ जाओ. ये आवाज काय की? ये क्या कर रहे हो? पेशाब कर रहे हो तुम?
तो क्या हम लोग इधर पेशाब करने को नहीं बैठे?
Some guys are way too emotional, which is very annoying at times.
What do you think? Like, what are the things which annoys you the most of a guy? You know?
Okay, the point that he took. I just want to continue the point. Whenever the girls walk to the road, to the street, the boys, every guy has a staring look at the girl. So I hate that thing. We are girls, not then attractive. You know, sale नहीं है हम, लड़कियाँ हैं जो इतना घूरते रहते हैं.
Don't look attractive. That's your mistake.
Oh, that's not my mistake. Every girl has a right to look attractive. For
So every
herself.
guy has a right to see those attractive things, you know.
Okay, you say. What if you turn into opposite sex? What would you do?
I would change my masturbation techniques.
Like?
Like I'll start fingering myself. Definitely.
You? What do you feel?
I would obviously run because I find my breath sometimes quite heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I would
Yeah.
run. I find it sometimes. Yeah.
Anything about else, you know? Like, if you turn into a guy, what else would you do? Like, smoke like them on the streets?
But then
or,
she still smokes. Even girls
that's
smokes,
very
right?
First. Yeah, she's there.
Even girls
yeah. So, what else you can do? Like, I wanna know, you know?
I would.
You can ask her also, like, what can she do
I
if
would
she
ramble shirtless, I guess.
Only if you're having a great body like him, I
Yeah,
guess.
obviously I would. I would be.
I'll call a photograph. We both will do a bikini shoot.
That's quite interesting. I feel that's quite interesting. What if you turn into a male the next day you wake up?
Oh shit. Then it's okay. I'll enjoy my life. I'll go with friends, do hookah and all. Because guys
Do
have-
what? Do what?
do hookah, drink and
Hookah
all,
and all.
parties and all. You know, girls don't get that much
Okay.
freedom, which boys do.
What else would you do? Like,
Like-
sleepover or
Yeah, but obviously I'll do a sleepover.
like, would you tease girls out there?
Of course, yeah.
Like how?
Like, if a girl goes around and I'll say, yeah, hot
How?
chick.
Hot chick.
If I'm a guy, I'll get the permission from him that I can go for a night out, I can go for a sleepover, and but girls don't get usually. But if I was a guy, I would.
If I turn up to a boy, the first thing I love is my freedom. Because
Freedom.
we guys are we girls, we are just saying that we are in 21st century, but still we have an orthodox thinking.
Okay.
Still we are not allowed to wear short dresses.
Okay.
If we are wearing a short dresses, means she's outline, or she's not like she's,
Comes upon the perspective. Yeah.
yeah,
Right.
comes upon the perspectives. Same thing. So I'll enjoy my freedom, night outs, and I would enjoy whenever I walk through the streets. Even I want कि मैं भी लोगों को छेड़ूं यार. At least एक बार try तो करूँ छेड़ना. So if I turn up to a girl, I'll surely do that. Even I want freedom. I want girls should not tell me that oh shit she's doing this thing. So she's not good. She's not that. So being a guy, I will enjoy my freedom, and then I'll try all the sorts of funny things.
What do you think? I think you want to
Okay.
say something else.
Okay, if I'm a girl and probably when I wake up, I will surely check my butt. if it's large enough, if it's not, obviously I'll go for workouts and everything to make it large enough. So it must look something, man. It must
So
look
just
something.
like you can express it to someone else,
Obviously,
yeah.
like